There seems to be nothing like a natural disaster to bring people together. I'm talking about Hurricane Milton, the deadly storm that went right through Central Florida. Now, I posted a list of basically all of the rescues along the west coast of Florida, and I know that a lot of you used it. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now is the time, though, to get back in touch with them and say, hey, what do you need now? So thank you to all the people who did foster and basically cleaned out the shelters. But now it's time to do more work for our animals. So, family, go at it. The list again is on the website, TheRealPaulMueller.com. And I thank you, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart.